Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the Poco X3 versus the Mi10i, which is also called as the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G device. So this will be the comparison between the both the phones in terms of the gaming perspective only. So this is a video only dedicated for the gamers. So in which I'll be talking couple of things which is related to the gamers only. And in case if you want to know for other type of users, so make sure to comment below what is your type of using the mobile phone, and I'll let you know which phone is the best choice for you. So if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and also do check the links in description friends for the playlist of the both the smartphones. So whatever I mentioned in this video, everything will be available in the links below in the description below friends. So each and every smartphone I have created the playlist for every smartphone in my channel. So make sure to check the playlist and you go through the playlist and you'll find all the topics which I'm talking right now. So in this gaming point of view, I divided into a few of the topics. So first will be the processor, then I'll talk about the battery, then display refresh rate, and final thing is having the extra options like dual speakers and haptic feedback and expandable memory. All of these things I'll be talking at the end, but the main thing for the gamers is right now is a processor. So in terms of the processor, the Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor, and whereas the Mi10i or Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G which has the Snapdragon 750G processor. So if you ask me which is powerful, I would definitely choose this Mi10i processor, which is very powerful, as close as the OnePlus Nord as well. So I did have the OnePlus Nord device. So this is a OnePlus Nord device which has a 765G. So the Mi10i, which is the processor, is a very powerful and it's very close to, as I said, close to the OnePlus Nord device. So in terms of the processor, definitely I would give points to the Mi10i. But one more thing is that there is nothing wrong with the Poco X3 device. So just because of the comparison, I need to choose one phone which has a better option. So that's why I'm choosing the Mi10i. And in case if you have the budget very low and if you have only the budget close to Poco X3, then definitely Poco X3 also another good option. No issues at all till now in this phone. So but just to give a quick idea, let me try to open the Antutu Benchmark application to show you the scores, how much I got in the Antutu Benchmark results, so that I can compare both phones side by side. As you can see friends, this is the Antutu Benchmark score between the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G Mi10i versus the Poco X3 model. So you can see the difference of 70 to 80,000 difference is there. That's a huge difference friends. So in case this Mi10i, if the mobile launches for the close price of this Poco X3 device, then definitely this will give the tough competition to this Poco X3 mobile phone. So in terms of the processor, the winner is a Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G device. So next is the display and the refresh rate. So these are the concern for the most of the users about the refresh rate as well. So right now, before we used to see the most of the gamers, they used to concentrate on the type of processor they're using, but right now the gamers, they want a high refresh rate mobile phones. So for them, both phones are really good options. So both will be satisfying your needs in terms of the higher refresh rate. So no issues in terms of the display. Both are IPS LCD panels and 120Hz refresh rate, both phones. So in terms of the display, equal points for both of the phones. Even the screen size, everything is same in both phones. So next, let me talk about the charging and the battery backup in both the smartphones. So I'm using this Mi10i close to, I think 4 to 5 days. I cannot talk much about this phone, but I'll give you the quick impressions about this battery during this time of using this device. So first, let me talk about the charging speed. Both are having the 33-watt fast charging, so that's a really good. And the charging speed, both are same page. But the Poco X3 has the battery higher than the Mi10i, which has a 6000 mAh of battery in the Poco X3 device. That's a really good battery capacity in this phone. And whereas this Mi10i, which has the 4820 mAh. So overall 1200 mAh is less than this mobile phone. So if you ask me what it will impact, so I would definitely say for the gamers, it will impact 1 hour more gaming you can do on the Poco X3 device. That's for sure. So if you use the settings are less brightness and using the Wi-Fi connection, then definitely you will get more 1.5 hour more in this Poco X3 device than the Mi10i. So the ultimate winner right now is kind of equal scores I'm giving between both the phones. So in terms of the battery backup, the Poco X3 is a clear winner, which you will be getting more hours while gaming. And in terms of the processor, the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G which is also called as the Mi 10i, is a powerful. So now it's up to you friends, which phone to buy and use. And I would say, if you ask me what's my personal choice, if you believe in me, I would recommend the better choose the processor which has better in the mobile phone. So I would go with this Mi 10i which has Snapdragon 750G. If this phone comes with any other low-end mobile processor like 732G or any other processor, then I would not recommend this phone. But only because of the processor only, I'm recommending this Mi 10i. So since you are a gamer, then definitely you need the very good processor, and GPU and CPU both performance should be very good and stable for long time usage. That's why I will be recommend this mobile phone. And another thing about the gamers is haptic feedback. So both phones are having the same kind of haptic feedback while gaming, so no or not much difference between the both of the smartphones, same kind of difference. And even in terms of loudspeaker, even while gaming also you do need special effects in the loudspeaker. So both phones, they are having the same kind of dual facing loudspeaker, so no issues in the loudspeaker. Both are equal points in the loudspeaker as well. And in terms of the phone weight, the Poco X3 is 225 grams, and this Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is I think 215 grams. So that's a little bit less, but not that much less. So the final winner is a Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G Mi 10i. So do comment below friends, what are your thoughts about this video, and do let me know in the comments which phone will you pick up in case if you're planning to buy the phone for the gaming type of usage. So this is a quick review friends comparing both the phones, and make sure to subscribe and follow me. Do check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers and everything what I'm using in this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.